Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to install Zoom on Ubuntu 21. First of all, Google it. You G download Google Chrome. Download Google Chrome. Then click here. Then download Chrome. Accept and install. My system is 64-bit, so I want to install that. Zip file. Okay, it started download. As I've already started it, downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. Go to file folder. It, okay. Right click on it. Open with software install. It takes times. Install and authenticate it. Finally, it get started to install. This installation system, the software installation depends on your network speed. It's done. Here, make Google Chrome default browser automatically send user statistics. Okay. Yes, it's worked perfectly. I have already Chrome user sign in. Yes, it needs to be authenticated. Right click. Sorry, the site does not send any password authentication keyword to me. That's why I try again. Wait a little bit. Wow. The site sent me a keyword. Simply paste here. 6427 Enter. Yes, I am in. Now it's works perfectly. This is how you can install Google Chrome on your Ubuntu operating systems. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe my channel.